Hey bosses, this is Charles Brown, the Boss Golf, and today we are talking about Old Greenwood in Truckee, California. This course is receiving my ranking of a good course. This is a Jack Nicklaus design and home to the PGA Tour's Barracuda Championship. This is a pristine mountain course. Beautiful views throughout, fairly challenging, straightforward design. You're getting what you pay for, and that is just a great, smooth flowing round on a really nice course. There's subtle undulations in the fairways, well-placed bunkers, and ample tall pines. The course is almost always in excellent condition. It's challenging but fair. There's good views, and there's a great combination of short and long par 4s, reachable par 5s, and memorable par 3s. The golf carts have GPS, and the customer service is top-notch. My recommendation is make this a combination round. This would be a great trip. Combine this course with something like Coyote Moon, which is also a really big favorite of mine in the region, and you're already off to a great start for a great trip to Lake Tahoe or in Northern California. You really want to get out there and play these courses. They're beautiful, they're well laid out, the people are inviting. It's a can't miss, easy trip.